Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keeps asking for Apple ID password. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is update your iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Go back now. And then after this the next solution is check your iPhone apps update. So for this, go to App Store. So tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here are the updates. So I have all updated apps. Go back now, and then after this the next solution is turn off iMessage and FaceTime if you're not using. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on messages, so turn off this, and tap on FaceTime and turn off this also. So go back now, and then after this the next solution is sign out from Apple ID and your iCloud. So for this, go to settings, tap on Apple ID and tap on sign out, and sign out your iCloud and sign in again. And then after this the next solution is reset your all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.